Good morning, students. So today again we are going to do some of the word problems of be my multiple, I'll be your factor. Okay. So in the previous video we had done up to number 4. So today we'll start from number 5. So this is number 5 question. Find the smallest number. Find the smallest number which when divided by 6, 8, 12, 15 and 20 leaves the same remainder 5. Now see, this type of question we had already done in the previous video, but that was little bit different. There the question was find the greatest number, and here you have to find the smallest number. Now in the greatest number, what we had done, we had first subtracted the remainders and then we have find out the HCF. So again I am telling, first in the case of greatest number, what we had done, we had first subtracted the remainders and then we have find out the HCF. But since here you have to find out the smallest number, the rule is little bit different. Now first we have to find out the HCF of, LCM. First, since it is the smallest number, we have to find out the LCM of 6, 8, 12, 15 and 20. So what is the statement? First we find the LCM of 6, 8, 12, 15 and 20. So this is the LCM, first with 2, 3, 4, 6. Now if a number is not divisible, you have to write down that number. 15 is not divisible by 2, so you have to write down 15 here. And others, 3 to the 6, 4 to the 8, 6 to the 12, 10 to the 20. Now again with 2. Now 3, because 3 is not divisible, you have to write down 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6, 15 is not divisible, so you have to write down 15 and 5 to the 10. Now with 3 ones are 3, 2 is not divisible, so you have to write down 2, again 3 ones are 3, 5 3s are 15 and 5 is not divisible, so you have to write down 5. And last one with 5, 1, 2 is not divisible, write down 2, 1, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So what is the LCM? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 2. And after subtraction and after multiplication, your answer is coming 120. So LCM is coming 120. But there is one more step. Here it is given leaves the same remainder 5. So this is the remainder. Now at last what you have to do, the required number is this LCM plus the remainder. You have to add the remainder, 120 plus 5, 125. Okay. So once again I am repeating, for the here you have to find the smallest number which when divided by 6, 8, 12, 15 and 20 leaves the same remainder 5. So in case of smallest number, first you have to find out the LCM of these 5 numbers, 6, 8, 12, 15 and 20. Your LCM is coming 120. Now since the remainder is same, 5, so at last the required number is 120 plus 5. You have to add this remainder. Now you can also check your answer. How? If you divide 125 by 6, your remainder will come 5. If you divide 125 with 8, your remainder will come 5, because the same remainder is 5. Okay. If you divide 125 with 12, your remainder will come 5. If you divide 125 with 15 and 20, your remainder will come 5. So at last you have to add this remainder. So your answer is 125. But in case of the greatest number, what we had done, first we have subtracted the remainder. First we had subtracted the remainder and then we have find the HCF. But here the rule is little bit different. First we have to find out the LCM and then you have to add the remainder. Okay. Now next question number 6. So find the greatest number that will divide each of 90, 108 and 126 without leaving a remainder. So this one is easy. You have to find the greatest number. So you have to find out the HCF of 90, 108 and 126. So what is the statement? Statement is we have to find the HCF of 90, 108 and 126. And this is the procedure. So first 90 and 108, your HCF is coming 18. Again with 18, you have to find the HCF of 18 and 126 after dividing. 7 18s are 126. So your last divisor is the HCF. So HCF of 90, 108 and 126, it is coming 18, and the greatest number is 18. Now the next question is very important. 3 bells. There are 3 bells ring at intervals of 10, 15 and 20 minutes respectively. The 3 bells ring together at 12 o'clock. So the 3 bells, they are ringing together first at 12 o'clock. At what time they will ring together next? At what time they will ring together next? So the question is, there are 3 bells, they are ringing together. Sorry, they are not ringing together. They are ringing separately at an interval of 10, 15 and 20 minutes. Now what is the meaning of this? So first bell, it is ringing at an interval of 10 minutes. That means after 10 minutes, after 20 minutes, after 30 minutes, after 40 minutes, it is ringing. That is the first bell. So it is a multiple of 10. The second bell at an interval of 15 minutes. That means first 15 minutes, then 30 minutes, then 45 minutes, then after 15 minutes, that is 60 minutes. So it is a multiple of 15. And the third bell after 20 minutes. So first 20, then 40, then 60, then 80. So it is a multiple of 20. So these 3 bells, they are ringing together at 12 o'clock. So at what next time they will ring together? So first you have to find out the LCM of 10, 15 and 20. As I told you, so the first bell is ringing at an interval of 30, that is 10, 20, 30, it's a multiple of 10. Here it's a multiple of 15 and here it's a multiple of 20. So first we find the LCM of 10, 15 and 20. So this is the method. So after finding out the LCM, 2 into 5 into 3 into 2, your answer is coming 60 minutes. Now why I have written 60 minutes? Because these are given in minutes, 10, 15 and 20. These are minutes. So your LCM is coming 60 minutes, which means 1 hour. So what is the time? So after 1 hour, again the bell will ring together. So from 12 o'clock, 1 hour means 1 o'clock. So again, the bell will ring together at 1 o'clock. So what is the answer? The answer is the bell will ring together again at 1 o'clock. Now similar type of question number 8. 4 bells, here 4 bells ring together. If the bells ring at intervals of 2, 5, 8, 10 seconds respectively. Now they are ringing after at seconds. Previously it was minute. After what interval of time will they ring together again? Now again the same procedure. First you have to find out the LCM of 2, 5, 8 and 10. Because the first bell after 2 seconds, then 4 seconds, 6 seconds, so it's a multiple of 2. Similarly, the fourth bell, if you can see, after 10 seconds, then 20 seconds, then 30 seconds, so it's a multiple of 10. Second bell, it's a multiple of 5, and third bell, it's a multiple of 8. So what is the full form of LCM? Lowest common multiple. So first you have to find out the multiple of 2, 5, 8, 10. So statement, we have to find the LCM of 2, 5, 8, 10 seconds. So here we have find the LCM. So your LCM is coming 2 into 5 into 4, 40 seconds. So again, after 40 seconds, these 4 bells will ring together. Here the particular time is not mentioned. Okay, only you have to find out the interval of time. So the answer is the bells will ring together after 40 seconds. In the previous question, time was mentioned. Here only you have to find out the interval. So your answer is 40 seconds. So once again, go through these solutions. I hope the solutions are clear to all of you. So today up to this much. Thank you.